Hey guys, so today I just wanted to show you a quick overview of this tire repair kit I just got off Amazon. It's from a company called Autown, or I guess it's Auto and Town put together, so however you want to pronounce that. So this is a 68-piece heavy-duty set. There's your model number there. I'll put the link in the description if you're interested. And there is all the things that come with it. So I've been wanting to get something like this because I've been having a lot of tire issues lately, and I thought it'd be a good thing to have around in case we have some tire issues. So this is the little tire, the little carrying case that it comes with here. So you can see everything that it comes with there. So what actually comes with it here is the repair plugs itself. So there's 40 of them. So that's most of your pieces here. And you got the spiral probe tool and the insert tool. And you also get an extra one of those inserts as well in case that one breaks. And you get the 2 L bracket, or the 2 Allen wrenches that you can use to replace that as well. So, and these are pretty heavy duty metal, so it seems like it should hold up for a while. You get your instructions, and then you get a little thing of lubricant as well. And you get this little Tupperware thing here, and it's got some different valve covers, some different things that go in the stems of your tire and everything, and a 4-way tool for that as well. You also get a tire pressure gauge, a little pair of pliers, a little X-Acto knife, and I think that's about what you get with it all. But it looks like it's very nice and small size here, so you can just kind of throw it in your back seat underneath or something if you just want to tote this around with you, and you'd be able to plug your own tires. So this one was actually a pretty cheap price, but again, it looks pretty heavy duty, so I'm excited to try it out here. So I just wanted to show you what comes with it here, guys, and then in the future here I'll be doing some more videos on how it actually works, so I'll do another review on it soon. So again, if you're interested, link down in the description.